armored combat vehicles are a popular vehicle among militaries. It is a combination of mobility, protection, and firepower. In the Italian army, the Dardo IFV has been in service since 1998, and to this day, it still plays an active role in the total of 200 units produced. The Dardo infantry fighting vehicle, also known as the VCC-80, was developed to replace the obsolete M113 APCs. It was designed and built by the Iveco Fiat Oto Melara Syndicated company based in Rome. Iveco is responsible for the hull and propulsion systems, while Oto Melara is responsible for the weapons and fire control system. Dardo has a weight of about 23.4 tons, a length of 6.7 meters, a width of 3 meters, and a height of 2.64 meters. Its three-man crew consists of commander, gunner, and driver, plus 6 soldiers in the passenger compartment. The Dardo hull is built from welded aluminum alloy with add-on steel armor plates for increased protection. From the frontal arc, the vehicle is protected against 25mm APCs projectiles. The side armor protects against 14.5mm projectiles. 480mm smoke rally launchers are installed on each side of the turret. Five firing ports are available for the 6 troops carried in compartment in the hull rear, which is also provided with a power-operated ramp for entry or exit. There is also air conditioning and collective NBC system. In addition to an impressive array of optical vision devices, passive night vision equipment is provided for the crew. The Dardo is primarily armed with a 25mm Oerlikon KBA automatic cannon, firing 600 rounds per minute, with 200 rounds of ready-to-fire ammunition stored in the turret. 2 7.62mm NATO machine guns are also installed in the turret, one coaxially mounted with the main gun. Fire control is provided by the Galileo integrated fire control system, which is capable of measuring target speed and range. The commander is provided with 6 SPCOP sights, which provide 360-degree field of view. The cupola can be further fitted with a panoramic stabilized sight. Additionally, a laser range finder and a thermal emisser are provided for the gunner. The commander is equipped with a monitor that displays the view from the gunner's side vision system. For dealing with heavy armored threats, 2 Spike LR or BGM-71 TOW anti-tank missiles can be installed, one on each side of the turret. These missiles have a maximum range of approximately 4 kilometers. The Dardo is powered by an Iveco V6 turbocharged aftercooled diesel engine, delivering 512 horsepower, which drives an automatic transmission system with 4 forward and 2 reverse gears. The running gear consists of 6 dual rubber-lined road wheels, with 3 return rollers on each side and connector tap tracks. This allows the Dardo to achieve maximum speed of 70 km per hour, maneuver on gradients of more than 60%, and float waters up to a depth of 1.5 meters. Dardo served shortly in the Italian army and was never exported. Variants are in development from the same chassis: a 120mm motor carrier, command vehicle, ambulance, and even a light tank fitted with a 105mm gun turret. The first deployment occurred as part of the Italian implantation in Iraq in 2004. My video about the Dardo infantry fighting vehicle answer. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please give me your thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos. Tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại quý vị và các bạn trong các video tiếp theo.